Today we will study the second type of the animal tissue, that is connective tissue. As the name says, connective means it connects or bind the cells of the other tissues in our body. Means the main role of the connective tissue is to connect or to bind the cell which are of the other tissues. So it connect all these cells. Second is it gives support to all the cells of the other tissues. It has cells and numerous thick structures which are known as the fibers. Means the connective tissue, it comprises of the cells and fibers. So it has so many cells as well as thick structures which are known as the fibers. The cells, they are living cells and they are embedded in a non-living intercellular matrix. So the cells, they are living and they are embedded in a non-living intercellular matrix. Now what is the matrix? Matrix is a material in which specified structures are embedded. Like here the specified structures are the cells, so they are embedded in the matrix. So matrix is a material in which the cells of the plant as well as the animal tissue which are embedded in them. Now on the basis of nature of the matrix, means which kind of material is there, we can divide it into three types. The first type is the connective tissue proper, second type is the supportive connective tissue, and the third type is fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper means in this the matrix is less rigid. Rigid means hard, so it is less rigid, means it is not very hard. Now it is again of two types, loose as well as the compact. If it is loose, then the two types of the connective tissues are there, areolar connective tissue and the adipose connective tissue. And if it is compact, then the tendons and the ligaments. These are again the different types of the connective tissue which comes in the category of connective tissue proper, where the matrix is less rigid. Right students? Second is supportive connective tissue. This is also known as the skeletal tissue. In this, matrix is rigid. It is rigid means it is very hard. Now bone and cartilage comes in this category, and the third one is the fluid connective tissue, where the matrix is present in the form of the fluid. An example are the blood and the lymph. These are the example of the fluid connective tissue. Now one by one we will study about them, what is their role and where they are present. So first I am coming to the connective tissue proper, in which we know that matrix, it is less rigid. Now the first type of connective tissue proper is areolar connective tissue. This is the first type of the connective tissue proper. Now this tissue is most widely distributed connective tissue in the body. So most widely distributed in body. Now this tissue have irregular shaped cells. Also it have two types of fibers. Right? The first type of fiber are the white fibers, and the second type of the fibers are the yellow fibers. These white fibers, they are made up of the collagen. Collagen is again a type of the protein, and the yellow color fibers, they are made up of another different type of the protein, that is elastin. Right? So it is made up of the irregular shaped cell as well as the fibers. Fibers are of two types, white fiber and the yellow fiber, white fiber is made up from collagen protein, and the yellow fiber, it is made up from the elastin protein. Right student? Now its location, where it is present in our body. So this is present in our body in the skin. First is the between skin and muscles. Here it present, then around blood vessels, nerves, etc. it is present. Now what is its function? So we all know that its function is that it binds the skin with the underlying parts, means the upper part of our skin, it is bind by the different underlying parts, and also it helps to repair the different tissues of the body. So its function is to bind the skin with the underlying parts, and the second is it helps in the repair of the tissues. Now the second type is adipose connective tissue. This adipose connective tissue, it is present below the skin. कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है ये? तो बिलो द स्किन प्रेजेंट होता है, अराउंड इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स के अराउंड भी ये प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, सेल्स ऑफ दिस टिश्यू, they are modified to store fat. So mainly ये cells क्या करती हैं? They store the fats, right? Each cell consists of large vacuole and which is filled with the fat, which is also surrounded by small amount of cytoplasm and which have the nucleus. Now its function is what? So it is a filling tissue. Its function is it acts as a filling tissue, means आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जहाँ कहीं पे भी स्पेस होता है उस स्पेस को फिल करने का काम कौन करता है? सो दैट इज़ डन बाय दिस एडिपोज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. इट इज़ द फिलिंग टिश्यू एज वेल एज इसका और क्या फंक्शन होता है? इट स्टोर्स फैट. तो ये फैट को स्टोर करने का काम करता है, और जब ये फैट को स्टोर करता है सो इट बिहेव्स लाइक अ इंसुलेटर. इंसुलेटर मीन्स ये आपकी बॉडी को क्या करता है? वार्म रखने का काम भी ये करता है, राइट? सो दीज आर द फंक्शंस. सो एडिपोज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, इट इज़ प्रेजेंट बिलो द स्किन, ऑल्सो इट इज़ प्रेजेंट अराउंड द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. मेन फंक्शन इज टू स्टोर फैट. इट ऑल्सो acts as an filling tissue. It stores fats and it also acts as an insulator. Insulator means it keeps our body warm. Now coming to the next type is, that is the compact connective tissue. The first type is the tendon. So I am coming to the another type, that is tendons. Now these tendons, they are very tough. So tendons, they are very tough and non-elastic. Elastic means you know which can contract and relax. So they are non-elastic. They are made up of the white fibers. किसके बने होते हैं? तो ये white fibers के बने होते हैं. And what is their function? So they connect muscle to bone. ये bone को muscle से, this is again very important. The role of tendon is to connect muscle to the bone. They are tough, non-elastic, made up from the white fibers, and they connect muscle to the bone. Next is the tendon के बाद आता है ligament. Now ligament, they are again, they are tough, they are strong, they are elastic. We have seen that tendons, they are non-elastic, but they are the elastic tissue. They are made up from the yellow fibers. Yellow fiber means, I have explained you that yellow fiber they are made up of different protein, and the white fiber they are made from the collagen, and yellow is made up from the elastic protein. So they are made up from the yellow fibers, and their function is to connect one bone to another bone. So they connect one bone to the another bone. This is the function of these ligaments. So they are tough, strong, elastic, made up from the yellow fiber. Yellow fiber means which have elastin protein, and their function is they connect one bone to the another bone. If you want to write the difference between tendon and ligament, this point you can take. They are non-elastic, they are elastic. Then they are made up from white fiber, they are made up from the yellow fiber. They connect muscle to the bone, and they connect the bone to another bone. Right, students?